So this is next example. Next example, the circuit show similar to the inverting amplifier. So this is quite similar to the inverting amplifier, and with the load, this is the load here, except there are resistor R3. We have resistor added R3. The circuit parameter is given R1 5. All the value of resistor is given. So R1 is 5K, R2 is 25 kilo ohm, okay, R3 is 12.5 kilo ohm, okay, RL is 5 kilo ohm. Okay. Derive the expression of Vout in terms of R2, R1 and Vi. Okay, the expression, to derive the expression, you need to do the KCL. The KCL here, and the current level is already given. So you do the KCL. KCL here, the I1 is entering, I2 is exiting. So I1 minus I2 equal to 0. So I1 is Vi minus V plus over R1. Over R1. This is your I1. And I2 is V minus, oh, I made mistake here. So Vi is minus V minus, not V plus. And this is V minus, the I2 is V minus minus V out over R2 equal to 0. So here V minus is equal to V plus, and then V plus is grounded, so this is equal to 0. So Vi R1 plus V out R2 equal to 0. Lastly, you get V out is equal to minus R2 over R1 Vi. So this is your answer. So next, derive the expression of I3. Where is I3? Okay, in terms of input voltage Vi. So I3, the relevant nodes are here. So you do the KCL. The KCL here. I2 is entering, so plus I2. I3 is exiting, minus I3. IL is exiting. So this is equal to 0. So I2 is V minus minus V out over R2, and then I3. So you want to derive the expression for the I3, so no need to define what is I3 using the Ohm's law. And the IL is V out over RL. V out over, oh, this is minus V out over RL equal to 0. So your I3 is equal to so this is, and then you know that the V plus is equal to V minus. V minus is equal to V plus, and then V plus is 0. So I3 is equal to minus V out, and then this is R2 plus RL over R2 RL. So the question asks you to derive in terms of Vi, not V out. So V out, you can use the previous answer. So here V out is equal to minus R2 R1 VI. So I3 is equal to R2 R1 R2 plus RL over R2 RL. So VI. So this is the answer. What happened to I3 is R3 is double. Okay. So you see the equation for I3. The equation I3 is not as a function of R3. So the value of R3 is not relevant. So the equation of I3 is not as a function of R3. So the answer is no change. There is no change can be observed.